Okay, if we have just one file to move at a time, the drag and drop operation that I've shown you so far works quite well. But what if you had to move, say, 100 files all at once? Well, you certainly don't want to do this 100 times. It would be a lot better if we could pick up multiple files in one shot and drag them all at the same time. Let's suppose that I had two files, for example, CP1360, and rename this, and I wanted both of them put into the fall semester. Here's what I would do. I would grab the first file, CP1360, and then hold the control key on your keyboard, come down to the second folder, and click again. And you'll see what I've got is now I have two folders that have both been selected. At this point, all that I need to do is to grab either this one or this one and simply drag it and drop it into the folder. So you saw now that the folder called Fall Semester, that now has the CP1360 as well as the rename this. Okay, let me undo this so I can do another one. Sometimes you have a whole bunch of files, for example, this one, and this one. Now that's fine. Yes, I can click the first one, hold the control key, and click all the others. Oh, and if you make a mistake and want to unselect it, just click it again. But I'm going to show a different way. When you have the view set to a list or to details, you can click on the top one, you can press the shift key and go to the last one. Okay, and you'll notice what's happened is I've now highlighted 4 things. And yes, now what I can do is I can grab this and I can throw it into the rename this folder. And now it's disappeared into the rename this folder. That can sometimes be useful if you have a lot of files that you need to move all at once and you just need to select everything. A final one sometimes that I will do is, although it does work here, you notice what I'm doing is I'm drawing a small box. It doesn't really work all that well for lists of files, but it does seem to work really well when you're dealing with icons or, okay, I'll make a large icon so it's easy. Suppose I wanted to grab this file, and this file and put it in CP3300. What I can do is I can click and drag to select these. It's called a marquee select. None of these are more correct than the other. It's just whatever happens to be easiest at the time.